Good evening everyone, this is by-DEGALA-BALAJI. Welcome back to my channel DB Stocks. Let us discuss what is going to happen in tomorrow's market about Bank Nifty. And firstly, let us discuss what happened in today's market about Bank Nifty and also about our pre-analysis. What we have discussed in Sunday, I think. Already we have discussed this in day time frame in the pre-analysis. What we have discussed, the resistance and the support has been tested multiple times. Both the resistance and the supports of this channel in day time frame has been tested multiple times. So what is going to be happen in the next move? Suppose when the market came near to the resistance, if this resistance previous high is that means after reaching the resistance, if that high, this candle high is given breakout by the next candle, means we don't need to go for the buying momentum immediately. After the confirmation of the retest and based on the price action and also moving average, based on those scenarios, that means those factors only, we have to confirm that market is going to be on buying side. Only when it gives the breakout of the next candle only, we don't need to go for buying. Why? Because market is at the channel. We have to aware of this channel and patterns and everything. See, this has been tested multiple times. So both supports and resistance has been tested multiple times. Already we have discussed in the pre-analysis. If it in the weekly time frame, I think, not in day time frame, in weekly time frame we have discussed this. If market opens flat and if it gives the flat or slightly gap down, if it gives the breakdown of the previous day candle low, means we can go for the target of 46,000 round level. And in this type of scenarios, after the big red candle, in this type of scenarios, we can expect two candles. One is pause candle and the next one is big continuous candle. Both can happen. How we have to predict that? If it opens slightly gap down or slightly flat or slightly gap down, if it gives the breakdown of the previous candle after reaching the 46,000 round level, this is the support. If this support is given breakdown by the next candle and the price action also support, if price action also supporting to that candle breakdown, and if market also giving the breakdowns of the lower lows, means we can go for the downside momentum and we can expect the continuous candle. But within these first 46,000 round level breaking only, we don't need to take the entry. We have to confirm whether it is going to be a pause candle or continuous candle. We have to confirm with the price action and the levels. Now let us see this in day time frame. In day time frame, it's very clear that it is an inside candle. What we have to do when it forms inside candle, we have to wait for the breakout of this both high or low, whether high or low. In this scenario, if high is given breakout, means we can go for buying. In this low, if low is given breakdown, means we can go for selling. And also the factors we have to notice in this type of scenarios is it is in the breakdown area. It is ready to give the breakdown. What we have to see in this type of scenarios, we will see this in 15 minutes. I will tell you this in 15 minutes. It's very clear in 15 minutes. Already it is in inside candle in day time frame. Whether it gives the breakout of the high, means we can go for buying, low means we can go for selling. Now let us see this in 15 minutes. We have discussed in the pre-analysis on Sunday, I think, about yesterday's, till it gives the breakdown of the 46,000 round level. Till market given the breakdown of the 46,000 round level, we don't need to go for selling. And also, if market gives the breakout of the 46,800 means we don't need to go for buying. 800 750 means we don't need to go for buying. Now what happened on Monday, and that means yesterday, it's like it opens gap down. Not that is Monday, this one, this is previous day, that means this is Friday. It opens slightly gap down. After that, it gives the breakout. It's not breakout, it gives the momentum towards upside, and afterwards it's slightly, this candle by candle has been formed. That next 4 candles has formed side by side, but it didn't give the breakout of the this low 46,330 or 340. What happened? The next candle within the single candle, it gives the breakdown, and it reaches the target, and immediately the buyer has taken the market, and pullback came from the 46,000 round level. Why I am telling you always this round levels are important means, at this round levels, maybe of buyers or sellers, whatever it may be. If it is upside means the sellers, if it is downside means the buyers. They will wait at the round levels. That's why round levels will play some key role in taking their entries. Now what happened here, it is it given the breakdown within the 15 minutes candle, and the next candle didn't follows that candle. That means it didn't closes below that candle. It is a doji candle, and there is no body in it. And the next candle, within this candle itself, buyers have taken the market, and after two candles, that means this momentum given from bottom to top about almost 750 points within the spike. That means within these candles 750 points market moved upside. So by this momentum, what we have to expect here, it is the buyers are strong. When the market given the indication that buyers are strong, automatically the sellers will wait for the confirmation. They won't take the entries immediately or in a hurry. Why? Because we have all the day, all the time, every time we should wait for the confirmation. That is the main important thing. And also the trading is all about the probability. Suppose if you have 50% probability, just take the entry with small quantity. Suppose if you have the 60% probability, just take the entry with some more little quantity, some more increase the quantity. Suppose if you have 80% probability, that means 2 or 3 multiple confirmation, just go with some good quantity with the entry. That means just go with the entry with some good quantity. Suppose if you have only 30% probability, just wait. If you have waited for 1 day or 1 hour or 1 week or 1 month also, no worries, our capital will be safe. If you have 30% probability, sometimes market also moves according to the 30% probability. Sometimes it will happen. Already I have seen many times it also happened in the market. But based on this 30% confirmation, by seeing those momentums, if you have entered into the market, means you will get trapped. That's it, we will get trapped. Only when we have the 60 to 70% or confirmations only, that too with the stop loss only, we have to enter into the market. More than that, there is nothing to learn in the market. All is about to follow the rules and regulations and everything. Everybody knows it. Everybody knows the technical analysis and fundamental analysis. That's simple. Now just coming to the point, it didn't use the breakout of this previous day high. It taken the resistance from here and closes at the bottom, and closes at the top. And next day, that means today, it opens slightly gap up, gap down, and after that it takes the resistance of the previous day closing candle, and it closes at the bottom, and market purely went into the sideways. Now you can see this market is in the box range. It is purely in the box range. That means this resistance is tested multiple times, supports also tested multiple times. Now what is, we have to wait for it till it gives the breakout of towards upside. We have to wait. If it gives the breakdown towards downside, we have to go for the entry. Or if it is not forming the big candles or not giving the breakouts or breakdown, means we can also expect tomorrow also the sideways momentum. It's very clear. If it gives the breakout of this consolidation zone, we can go for buying. This is the next target. If it gives the breakdown of this consolidation zone, the first target will be the 46,000 round level, and this level also tests. So this round level also tested. So if it, after reaching this 46,000 round level, if you have seen any selling patterns or price action based on that only, if it gives the after giving the breakdown by the market, if that level is retested, that means if this level is tested, means in this retest we can go for entry, and above this by keeping the stop loss on above this, go for the entry. We can go for the entry, no issues. And this will be the first target. After reaching this 47,200 or 250, we have to wait for it. After reaching that level, we can based on the price action also, we can move for the further entries. Simple. Okay. If it is slightly open gap down, just a minute, if it is opens flat, given the breakout of 46,500 and also 46,600, 650, not 650, 46,700, this range, till that there will be no momentum. If this given breakout of this range, we can expect the momentum towards upside. Breakdown of this range, we can expect that towards downside. 46,000 is the round level, is the first target. Here 47,200 is the first target for upside momentum for CE, and downside momentum 46,000 round level will be the target. Thank you. This is my view.